All right, 2020 Ram 1500 Sport. This beautiful truck is a demo. It's got power boards, tonneau, and flaps already installed. Just under 14,000 kilometers on this particular truck. It's in fantastic shape. Now, part of the reason I wanted to show you the wind out here today, you can hear how wild that is. Part of the reason these trucks are such a huge success is the quiet of the cabin. Check that out. Cruise control, Bluetooth, gear selector as well. You can customize the information being displayed right here as well. 12-inch Uconnect screen, arguably the best interior in the business. Trailer brake controller, front and rear parking sensors. You've also got that lovely Harman Kardon audio system, 19 speakers. There's a few of them back there underneath that massive panoramic roof. Reconfigurable center console as well. Lots of room for a hard hat, any of your gear, larger Nalgene if that's what you're into. This truck's also got full screen navigation, which is amazing. Traffic as well. Concealed storage, upper and lower. And of course, monstrous accommodation in that back seat. For information on this or anything else in our inventory, give us a call, 403-902-0434. Take it home today.